Windows. Windows is the dominant operating system across the globe, developed by Microsoft. It made its debut back in 1985 with Windows 1.0, starting as a simple graphical layer sitting on top of MS-DOS. The interface was pretty primitive initially, but it gradually transformed into a complete standalone operating system with iconic releases like Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, and the latest Windows 11. What makes Windows so popular is its versatility and universal hardware support. Windows operates on virtually any desktop or laptop from any manufacturer, and it handles everything from intense gaming sessions to business applications and software development. The interface is designed to be intuitive, making it accessible for newcomers. However, Windows comes with its own set of challenges. The demanding system specifications can slow down aging or budget machines significantly. It's also notorious for constant updates that, despite being intended to enhance functionality, often feel disruptive and occasionally trap users in endless update cycles. Security vulnerabilities are a persistent issue since Windows' popularity makes it the prime target for hackers and malicious software. And let's not forget the infamous blue screen of death, a problem that's haunted users since the very beginning. macOS. macOS launched in 2001 by Apple as the exclusive operating system for Mac computers. Unlike Windows, which functions across multiple computer brands, macOS works only on Apple products like MacBooks and iMacs. This exclusive hardware-software integration results in exceptional stability, fluid performance, and superior optimization. Creative professionals, particularly video producers, digital artists, and audio engineers, favor macOS thanks to Apple's professional-grade applications like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and GarageBand. A major benefit of macOS is its ecosystem integration. If you use an iPhone or iPad, macOS allows effortless synchronization of messages, calls, and documents. Unlike Windows, there aren't persistent forced updates or system failures, and battery longevity tends to be superior. But macOS isn't without limitations. Since it exclusively operates on Apple hardware, users must invest in pricey Mac equipment, which can deter budget-minded consumers. Gaming is another weak point because macOS devices lack DX support and dedicated high-performance graphics cards. Additionally, certain professional applications either aren't available or come in stripped-down versions. Linux differs from Windows or macOS because it's not one single operating system, but rather a collection of operating systems called distributions or distros. It was born in 1991 when Linus Torvalds, a Finnish programmer, wanted to create a free, open-source alternative to existing systems. Unlike Windows with its heavy resource demands or macOS with its expensive hardware requirements, Linux is efficient, secure, and runs smoothly on modest hardware. This makes it perfect for vintage computers, enterprise servers, and everything in between. Being open source means anyone can customize or create their own variant, resulting in numerous Linux distributions. Some cater to everyday users like Ubuntu and Mint, while others target servers and technical professionals like CentOS and Debian. This flexibility has made Linux the backbone of programming, cybersecurity, and server infrastructure. Major platforms and supercomputers from companies like Google, Amazon, and even NASA's computing systems rely on Linux servers. That said, Linux isn't beginner-friendly. Its interface differs drastically from Windows and macOS, and newcomers often find it challenging, especially since many distributions depend on command-line instructions rather than visual menus. Software compatibility is another hurdle. Most popular applications and games are designed for Windows or macOS, forcing Linux users to seek alternatives. Chrome OS. Chrome OS was created by Google and launched in 2011 as a minimalistic, cloud-focused operating system. Unlike Windows or macOS that depend on locally installed programs, Chrome OS is built to function primarily through internet connectivity, making it ideal for users whose activities revolve around browsing, streaming, and cloud applications. It comes preloaded on Chromebooks, affordable, speedy laptops perfect for educational institutions and business environments. Chrome OS starts up almost instantly and handles updates automatically in the background. It's also remarkably secure because most operations are processed and stored on Google's cloud servers instead of locally, reducing malware and corruption risks. Access to the Google Play Store enables users to download Android applications, adding more functionality beyond basic web browsing. But Chrome OS has significant limitations. Its heavy reliance on internet connectivity means poor performance without a stable connection. It doesn't support many traditional desktop programs like full Adobe Creative Suite or professional editing software. High-performance gaming isn't possible unless you use cloud gaming platforms like GeForce Now, which still requires fast internet. Heavy multitasking like running Photoshop alongside video editing is practically impossible. Android. Android is an open-source mobile operating system created by Google and is the world's leading mobile platform. It powers numerous brands, including Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, and countless others. Android's standout feature is customization. Users can apply themes, install third-party launchers, and personalize virtually every element of the interface, unlike iOS, which maintains a restricted design. The Google Play Store provides millions of applications and games, and Android offers everything from budget-friendly devices to premium flagship phones with cutting-edge specifications. However, Android has its downsides. Not every device receives consistent updates, which can cause performance degradation and security vulnerabilities on older models. Bloatware is another annoyance. Manufacturers often pre-install unwanted applications that can't be uninstalled. While Android is feature-rich, it's typically less refined than iOS, meaning some applications may run choppily on Android but perform smoothly on iPhones. iOS. iOS was created by Apple and powers iPhones and iPads. Unlike Android, which is open source and multi-brand, iOS is exclusive to Apple hardware, giving Apple total control over both components and software. iOS devices are renowned for stability and extended software support. Even older iPhones continue receiving updates for many years. The App Store maintains a carefully vetted collection of applications, with developers often prioritizing iOS for initial launches due to superior security protocols and users more willing to pay. The Apple ecosystem enables seamless connectivity between MacBooks, iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches. But iOS has constraints. It's extremely limited. Users can't freely customize home screens, install applications from external sources, or easily transfer files outside Apple's ecosystem. iPhones also lack expandable storage and headphone jacks, and iOS devices carry premium price tags while Apple frequently recycles features across multiple iPhone generations. Unix. Unix is among the oldest operating systems and the foundation for many modern systems. Originally created in the late 1960s at Bell Labs, it was engineered as a multi-user, multitasking platform primarily for servers and advanced computing. Unlike mainstream modern operating systems, Unix is seldom used by regular consumers. It's deployed to manage substantial workloads for corporate servers, financial institutions, and scientific computing. For instance, weather services utilize Unix-based infrastructure to process enormous volumes of meteorological information critical for forecasting. Unix licensing is extremely expensive, at approximately $1,400 per user, meaning a medium-sized organization with 250 users would face deployment costs exceeding $350,000. BSD. Berkeley Software Distribution is an operating system family descended from Unix, developed at the University of California, Berkeley during the 1970s. Unlike mainstream modern operating systems, BSD is seldom used by regular consumers. It's deployed to manage substantial workloads for corporate servers, financial institutions, and scientific computing. For instance, weather services utilize BSD-based infrastructure to process enormous volumes of meteorological information critical for forecasting. BSD has several variants, including FreeBSD, OpenBSD, and NetBSD, each optimized for specialized purposes.